Retirement is a time when people can enjoy the fruits of their labor. After years of working hard, many people look forward to retirement as a time to relax and enjoy themselves. Is retirement a pipe dream for people with low incomes? Not necessarily. There are several things that people of modest means can do to retire earlier than average. Hello everyone, welcome to Wealthy Wisdom channel. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. I know that retirement might seem like a far-off dream when you're living on a tight budget. But in this video, we will talk about how can I retire early on low income. So sit back and relax because I'm about to show you how it's done. First, invest in a Roth IRA. You can retire early even with a low income by investing in a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is an individual retirement account that allows you to contribute after-tax dollars. The money you can contribute grows tax-free, and you can withdraw it in retirement. This makes a Roth IRA an ideal way to save for retirement if you have a low income. There are a few different ways to invest in a Roth IRA. You can open one yourself or have your employer do it for you. Second, contribute to 401k or IRA account. 401k and IRA accounts are popular retirement savings options, but they are not the only way to retire early. If you have a low income, you may still be able to retire early by contributing to a 401k or IRA account. These accounts offer tax breaks and other benefits that can help you save the retirement. For example, you may be able to deduct your contributions from your taxes, or you may be able to grow your money tax-free. Additionally, 401k and IRA accounts typically have higher contributions limits than other retirement accounts. As a result, you can significantly boost your retirement savings by contributing to one of these accounts. Third, invest in a low-cost index fund. How can I retire early on a low income? It's a question more people are asking as they realize the traditional retirement age of 65 is no longer realistic for many Americans. The good news is that with a little effort in planning, retiring early is possible, even in a low income. One of the best ways to achieve this is to invest in a low-cost index fund. Index funds are a type of investment that tracks a specific financial market index, such as the S&P 500. They offer several advantages over other investments, including high returns, low fees, and diversification. For example, let's say you invest $10,000 in an S&P 500 index fund with an annual 10% return. After 20 years, your investment will be worth $67,000. And if you continue to reinvest your dividends, your returns will compound over time, providing you with an even more giant nest egg. So investing in an index fund is a smart choice if you're looking for a way to retire early on a low income. Fourth, live below your means. This means spending less than you earn and investing the difference. When you do this, you will be able to save more money over time. You may also need to make some adjustments to your lifestyle. For example, you may need to downsize your home or give up your car. These changes can be complex, but they will help you free up more money to save for retirement. In addition to living below your means, you will also need to invest wisely. This means choosing investments that have the potential to grow over time. You may want to consider stocks, mutual funds, and index funds. These investments can be volatile, but they offer the potential for long-term growth. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. The fifth way on how can I retire early is to start a side hustle. A side hustle is a way to make extra money outside of your regular job. It can be something you're passionate about or something that you're good at. There are many ways to make money from a side hustle, and it can be a great way to supplement your income and save for retirement. When starting a side hustle, there are a few things to consider, such as how much time you have to dedicate to it and how much money you need to make to reach your retirement goals. Sixth, monetizing hobbies. If you have a hobby that you are passionate about, there is a good chance that you can make money from it. By monetizing your hobby, you can generate additional income that can help you to save for retirement. There are several ways to monetize hobbies, including selling products or services related to your hobby, teaching classes, or writing books about your hobby. Seventh, sell new things. How can I retire early on a low income? It's a question that many people ask, but there is no easy answer. The best way to retire early is to have a plan and stick to it. One way to do this is to sell new things you no longer need. This can free up some extra cash that can be used to help fund your retirement. Every little bit helps when you're trying to save for retirement. The most important thing is to stay focused and committed to your goal. Additionally, you may want to consider downsizing your home or getting rid of other unnecessary expenses. With some planning and effort, you can retire earlier than you ever thought possible. Finally, save your tax refund for retirement. Like most people, you probably look forward to receiving your tax refund each year. But rather than blowing the money on a new car or a vacation, why not use it to help you reach your retirement goals? For example, let's say you can save $1,000 from your tax refund. If you invest that money in a retirement account and earn an annual return of 6%, it will grow to nearly $13,000 in 20 years. And if you continue to reinvest the yearly 6% return, you'll have over $60,000 after 30 years. Of course, this is just one example, and your results will vary depending on the amount of money you're able to save and the rate of the return you earn. But even saving a small amount each year can add up over time and significantly affect your ability to retire comfortably. So, rather than spending your tax refund on a new toy or gadget, consider using it to help you reach your long-term financial goals. Although it is not easy, it is possible to retire early on a low income. You will need to make some sacrifices and be diligent with your money, but it can be done. Have you been able to retire early on a low income? What tips would you share with others looking to do the same? Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye!